Uh, Good evening. My name's John Smith from Smith Lubricants. I'm here to demonstrate a product that's very unique. It will save you a lot of money on maintenance, downtime, and will give you peace of mind with your machinery and driving. This product is pure 100% petroleum. It contains no solids, PTFEs, Teflon, copper or lead. If you set that away, got it sampled, it'll come back as journal oil. There's nothing in this product that will harm your machinery or void warranties. I'll explain. You cannot void warranties with this product because it's untraceable. Okay. Today we're going to demonstrate just the normal oil. I've got here the Dello 400 Caltex, which I used years ago. Put a bit in this oil bath. This is a cross-axis machine they use to demonstrate these oils and show you what shear strength the oil breakdowns at. See how the oil throws everywhere? That's because oil comes out of the ground and so does metal. They aren't attracted. It's been a problem with mechanics for years. Our product is positively ionised. It seeks metal. It's heat activated. Normal oil is heat deactivated. It doesn't like heat. Okay. This here is the friction it takes to drive your engine. This here is the shear pressure your oil is going to break at. Get about 25 pounds up going to friction. No matter how hard you try to make it work, it won't work. And about 40 pounds to crack. In that short term, you wore a big groove in that metal. So today, I'm going to turn that bearing. It's a hardened bearing like your wet rings are made out of. I'm going to turn that bearing. By rights, I should sand all that off because it's rough from the grinding. But I'm just going to add a bit of our product on there. 5% is all you need. And it will actually tend to make your oil cling to the metal as it gets hotter. Now, I'm going to put pressure on that. You hear it's on a rough metal bearing, and I haven't sanded it. There's 25 where the friction started working. That hasn't even marked it. There's where it was breaking before. That friction hasn't even changed. That's where it was seasoning, locking up. You hear it's rough. It's on a rough broken bearing. You will not wear that. Notice how much pressure. It just keeps working. If you get behind there, loving it, you can see the oil where you want it to go. It's right behind that bearing. There's no metal touching each other. There's oil between it. That's why I get oil pumps to pump oil into your journals. With this stuff, see how it clings there, look at that. It clings like an O-ring. Before it was just throwing it everywhere. This stuff loves heat. It loves it. Look at that. See the oil behind the bearing there? The heat you put on it, the pressure you put on it. It keeps working. Look at that needle, it won't even change. Let's say you lost your oil pressure, you lost your oil. You're in trouble, you've lost your oil. If you haven't lost your protection. If you don't find that pretty exciting to have in your machinery, I don't know. And look at this photo on here, look. There's no mark on that bearing. It's probably a pressure mark, but there's no mark. Nowhere. So I'll conclude on that and get on to your nearest distributor, Smith Lubricants, with your gear products, oil products, diesel additives, petrol additives, grease, and a high profile spray lubricant, metal to metal, for industrial.